Hello everyone, today we are going to look how to connect Zerodha Kite MCP to Cursor app. So basically Kite MCP is a server that follows the model context protocol, letting AI tools access Zerodha's Kite connect through one standard interface, and it integrates with MCP-enabled apps like Cursor, VS Code, Claude, etc. With this, your AI app can fetch live market data such as LTP, OHLC data, historical data, and also view your portfolio information like what are your holdings, positions, and the margins. And if you self-host, you can also place and manage orders. It reduces setup by avoiding separate plugins for each tool and returns consistent and structured results. You just need Node.js and a cursor build. So basically, access runs through Zerodha's official login and 2FA only with the permissions you control and can revoke anytime. It is actually not an autonomous trading bot and won't bypass security. It only performs actions you request. In this video, I will show you how to add hosted Kite MCP to Cursor, sign in and run live queries like how to get LTP, show your holdings and all. So first let us open our Chrome. You can download the Cursor. In the first link, download the version which is compatible with your system, and now let us download Node.js. Open the first link, scroll below, click on download Windows installer. It seems it's downloaded. Double click on it to start the installation process. Click on next. Accept the agreement and click on next. Click on next. Make sure add to path is already available here. If it is not available, you need to customize in the environment variable and add it. Click on next. Click on next and install. The installation seems to be completed. Let us open our Cursor app. Click on terminal, new terminal. To confirm the installation of Node.js, type node-d. It seems Node.js is successfully installed of version 22.19.0. So now let us open settings. Click on MCP and integrations. Add new MCP server. Paste the code as shown in the screen and save it. Close and reopen Cursor so that all the installation might have been done. If you cannot see this new chat, you just need to type Ctrl L. Click on Add Context. Select mcp.json. Now, copy this command and run in your terminal. As the terminal is open, type in the new chat, login to Kite MCP. Click on Run tool. Log in using the provided link. You need to click on Authorize to give the permissions for Kite MCP. Yeah, now it seems login is successful and now we can go back to Cursor. Here, we can type anything like to get the data of our portfolio or any stocks, options, any data we can get here. So let me type get LTP for Infosys. Run tool. You can see the last traded price was 1504. We can get today's OHLC data of, say, Reliance. Click on Run tool. Yeah, here are the details. Like this, you can do many more in this. Suppose get what are the support and resistance of Infosys. Click on Run tool. It gives in-depth detail of whatever we ask. Suppose say show my holdings. Run tool. Okay, now let me ask today's top 5 gainers and losers in equity. Run tool. Yeah, so as we can see, top 5 gainers are Infosys, TCS, ITC, Bharti Airtel, Hindustan Unilever, and top 5 losers of the day. So this is how you can integrate Kite's MCP to Cursor app. Thank you for watching.